In today's video, we'll be talking about why your Fujifilm Instax camera is flashing orange and how to fix it. The orange blinking light on your Instax camera usually indicates that the batteries are low on charge or worn out. To resolve this issue, you need to replace the batteries. Here's how to do it. Open the battery compartment lid on the left side of your camera, if the top side is facing you. Remove the old batteries and replace them with new alkaline batteries. Slide the lid back in place and check if the orange flashing light has disappeared. Another reason your Instax camera may flash orange is due to an obstruction on the lens. To fix this, turn on your Instax camera and check if the lens is fully extended. If the lens fails to extend, turn off your camera and clean the lens using isopropyl alcohol and a cloth. Once cleaned, turn on your camera again to see if the lens extends fully and the blinking issue is resolved. If these solutions do not work, contact an authorized technician for further advice. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.